What if I tell you that you can import expensive machinery at zero custom duty? Sounds unreal, right? I'm Sachin Kharatmal, international logistic expert. Today we are decoding one of the most powerful export schemes in India, the EPCG scheme. Let's simplify it step by step. What is EPCG scheme? EPCG stands for Export Promotion Capital Goods Scheme. It is a scheme under the foreign trade policy that allows importer to import capital goods at zero custom duty, subject to fulfillment of export obligations. In simple words, import machinery at low cost, produce goods, export and earn foreign exchange. Objective of EPCG scheme. The main objective of EPCG is to boost India's exports by helping manufacturers upgrade technologies without heavy duty burden. It supports modernization, quality improvements, global competitiveness. What are capital goods? Capital goods includes machinery, equipments, spares, jigs, fixtures and molds, testing and quality control equipments. These are goods used to produce export products not meant for resale. Who can apply for EPCG? The EPCG scheme is available to manufacturer, exporter, merchant exporters, tie with manufacturers, service providers like hostels, hospitals and logistics companies. Notify services. Duty benefit under EPCG. Under EPCG, import duty benefits are significant. Basic custom duty exempted. IGST and compensation cess payable may be refunded in some cases. This results in huge cost saving for exporters importing high value machinery. Export obligations, that is EO explained. Now comes to the most important part, that is export obligation. Export obligations means 6 times of the duty saved to be completed within 6 years. There are two components. Specific EO, that is linked to the EPCG authorization. Second is average EO, maintaining past export performance. EPCG application process. Here the EPCG process in simple steps. Step 1, apply online the digital portal. Step 2, submit required documents and pay the fees. Step 3, EPCG authorization is issued. Step 4, import capital goods. Step 5, fulfill export obligation. Step 6, apply for export obligation discharge. What are the documents required for EPCG scheme? The documents required include IC, GST registration, import invoice, chartered engineer certificate, after that export product details, and then past export performance data. Penalties and non-compliance. If export obligations is not fulfilled, the duty must be paid along with interest and applicable penalties. So EPCG is powerful but only when used responsibility. EPCG versus normal import. Normal import involves high custom duty with no export obligations. EPCG imports offer zero duty but requires export commitments. For serious exporters, EPCG is truly a game changer. Here is the final summary. To summarize, EPCG helps exporter import machinery at zero duty, modernization, production and boost exports, provided the exporter obligations is fulfilled within the prescribed time. This video is made EPCG crystal clear. Don't stop here. Like the video, share it with your EXIM professional friends and subscribe because smart exporting start with smart knowledge. This is Sachin Kharatmal signing off. Until next time, keep learning and keep trading.